Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS Grid. And we're going to learn about the min-max function that we can use to size items inside the grid templates. So when we're using the property grid template columns or grid template rows, we can put in a function min-max. And then the minimum max is a function that takes in two parameters. The first one is the minimum you want the width. So for this example, it's a column. So the width you want it to be, and then this will be the maximum width you want it to be. And we can see here that it matters when you change the view of it. So we can see here, this is all, let's look at the code first. It's all one FR. So it's all going to be 1/3 as we go on, but we can change it with this. So for this exercise, we want to replace the 1 FR here with a minimum of 90 pixels and a maximum of 1 FR. So we can copy the syntax and we can put this function inside of this function, it's fine. And then the first one is 90 pixels. And the second one is 1 FR. So the minimum width of this is going to be 90 pixels and the maximum is 1/3 of it. So if it goes smaller, it just wouldn't get smaller than this 90 pixels. And we see before how it will shrink. But when you expand it, it'll still it will expand proportionally to the 1/3 as we have it. And that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.